The product development lifecycle, or PDLC, is a structured process used by organizations to develop products efficiently from concept to launch. The design phase within the PDLC focuses on translating research findings, customer needs, requirements into a feasible, actionable, and visually appealing product solution. This phase bridges the gap between conceptual ideas, tangible development, ensuring that the product is both functional and aligned with user expectations. The primary objective of the design phase is to create a blueprint that clearly communicates what the product will look like, how it will function, and how it meets the defined requirements. This involves both system design, including technical architecture, software components, integrations, user experience design, such as interfaces and interaction flow. Effective design reduces risks in later stages by preemptively identifying potential issues. Design activities rely heavily on outputs from earlier PDLC phases, including the discovery and requirements phases. Key inputs include stakeholder requirements, user personas, functional and non-functional requirements, market research, competitive analysis, and regulatory constraints. Designers synthesize this information to ensure that the solution addresses real user needs while remaining technically viable. The design process typically occurs in two layers. High-level design defines the product's architecture, components, data flow, and system interactions, providing a conceptual overview without really delving into technical details. Then, low-level design translates that high-level design into detailed specifications. Things like database schemas, interface layouts, API definitions, and wireframes. Both layers are just essential for guiding development and testing teams. A significant part of the design phase is UX and interface design. This involves creating wireframes, mock-ups, and interactive prototypes to really visualize the product. Designers focus on usability, accessibility, navigation, and of course, visual appeal. Good UX design ensures that users can efficiently interact with the product, which directly impacts customer satisfaction and adoption rates. In parallel with UX design, technical design establishes the system architecture, software components, hardware requirements, and integration strategies. It defines how the product will function, the technologies to be used, and scalability considerations. This ensures that developers have a clear roadmap and reduces ambiguities during implementation. Design in the product development lifecycle is rarely linear. Iterative design is actually pretty common, with multiple rounds of feedback from stakeholders, product owners, and even potential users. Prototypes are tested, and improvements are made based on the insights we gather. This iterative approach really helps minimize errors, aligns the product with user expectations, and enhances overall product quality. The PDLC design phase requires collaboration between cross-functional teams, including UX and UI designers, system architects, business analysts, and developers. Effective communication is key here, ensuring that design decisions meet both user needs and technical constraints. Collaboration also allows us to identify challenges early on, challenges that could impact cost, timeline, or performance. Documentation is, without a doubt, a critical deliverable of the design phase. It includes detailed design specifications, wireframes, prototypes, architecture diagrams, and user interaction guidelines. Comprehensive documentation serves as a reference for development, testing, and future product iterations, ensuring continuity and reducing dependency on individual knowledge. The design phase also involves identifying potential risks, such as technical limitations, integration issues, or usability challenges. By analyzing these risks early, teams can propose mitigation strategies, adjust design choices, prevent costly errors during development and testing. Risk-aware design really strengthens the product's robustness and reliability. The design phase is a crucial bridge between conceptual planning and product development. A well-executed design ensures that the product is visually appealing, technically sound, user-friendly, and aligned with business goals. Once design artifacts are approved, the development team can confidently start building the product, using the design as a clear and actionable roadmap, which ultimately increases the likelihood of delivering a successful product to market.